Today, we will listen to a simple English story. The story is called The Lost Wallet. Let's begin. Morning on the bus. Sam is a young boy. He takes the bus to school every morning. He sits near the window. He likes watching cars, trees, and people outside. Today, Sam looks happy. He says, "It's a beautiful day." A surprise on the seat. Sam feels something under his seat. He touches it gently. He pulls it out. It is a brown wallet. Sam says, "Oh, someone lost this." He opens it carefully. Inside, he sees money, an ID card, and a photo of a family. Sam says softly, "This must be important." Reaching school, Sam gets off the bus. He walks into the school quietly. All day, he thinks about the wallet. He says to himself, "What should I do?" Talking to the teacher. After class, Sam goes to his teacher, Ms. Rose. Sam says, "Ma'am, I found this wallet on the bus." Ms. Rose smiles. She says, "You did the right thing by telling me." She opens the wallet and looks at the ID. She says, "This man works near our school. We can find him." Searching for the owner, Sam and Ms. Rose walk outside. They go to small shops and offices. They ask people, "Do you know this person?" Most of them say, "No, sorry." Sam feels a little tired. But he does not give up. Meeting the owner. Finally, an old man comes out of a small shop. He looks at the ID and says, "Yes, that is my wallet." The old man looks surprised. He says, "I thought I lost it forever." Sam gives him the wallet. The man opens it and smiles. He says, "Everything is here, even the photo of my family." His eyes fill with tears. A kind reward. The old man says, "You are a good boy. Thank you." Sam smiles and says, "I only did what is right." The man insists and gives Sam a small candy. Sam accepts it politely. Going home. In the evening, Sam returns home. He tells his mom everything. Mom hugs him and says, "I am proud of you. You showed honesty and kindness." Sam smiles happily. Narrator. This was our story, The Lost Wallet. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.